Hey guys, it's Danielle with Octane Design Studios, and today we're talking about choosing a social media platform that's right for you. Check it out. Y'all, so it's been a while. I have changed a little bit of my scenery. I've done a lot of extra things in life since the last time we spoke. So I'm really taking this time to kind of jump back on the horse and start sharing a lot of the intellect and resources that we've gathered over the past 13 years in areas of graphic design, web design, and podcasting. So I'm excited to jump on board here and kind of jump straight into this topic around social media platforms. And really, this comes from a long list of clients that have come to us and asked us multiple times, Daniel, where do I start? Where do I begin with social media marketing? How do I even choose which platform to even roll with? And this is really coming from that level of expertise that we've been able to share time and time again with our clientele. So here we go. One, you need to identify your target audience. Understanding the right demographics, interest, and online behavior will help determine which platform works best for the type of audience you want to reach. Two, you want to analyze your platform features. Different social media platforms offer different types of features. You need to be aware of what those features are and how you can best profit from that through your business. For instance, for visual heavy businesses or visual heavy presence, you may want to consider Instagram or Pinterest as part of your social media plan. However, if you're doing more business to business sales or wanting to do more business to business work, LinkedIn may be the optional platform of choice. Three is to evaluate your platform demographics. Each social media platform attracts a different type of customer or client. You need to be in tune with that and better understand what platform is reaching who. For instance, if you have a younger demographic, you may want to consider TikTok or Snapchat, Twitter as options for younger audiences. Four, consider your content formats. Now, this ranges from across a multitude of different types of platforms. For instance, TikTok allows up to 3 minutes in their videos versus just 30 to 60 seconds in Instagram. So it's something to think about when you're varying between platforms and the type of content you wish to share to increase your visibility and to increase your engagement and, of course, more customers. And lastly, number five is to assess your own resources. What are you capable of doing? Is it easier for you to write short, quick messages? Is it easier for you to create long format videos? Managing multiple social mediums requires a lot of time and effort and energy that you may or may not want to get into. Evaluate your capacity to take on these projects and also evaluate your energy into editing and getting it to a visible place that is shareable to your following. Think smart before you plan ahead. Overall, it is better to focus on a few platforms really well before taking on the full gamut of the wide variety of social mediums out there. Let me know if this was helpful to you. Feel free to like and subscribe to anything that we have on our channel. I really appreciate you guys listening to these extra tidbits that we'll be sharing more throughout our YouTube channel. Catch you next time.